To have and to hold
to have and to hold
this day on,
from this day on,
for better,
or
or for worse,
for worse,
for richer,
and
for poorer,
poorer,
in sickness and in health,
and sickness and in health,
to love and cherish,
to love and cherish,
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
Dagdag siya.
Ayon sa takang isip, kapatid mo yung decision I
I, Daisy Verdugo,
thank you,
take you,
J. Conibara,
J. Panipani,
to be my willing husband.
to be my legal,
Willing husband.
Nabungol.
Pwede sa legal husband.
Legal one. Legal one.
To have and to hold
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better,
for better,
for worse,
for worse,
for richer,
for richer,
for poorer,
for poorer,
in sickness and in
in
health,
sickness and in
to
health,
love and cherish,
to love and cherish,
and death.
until death us.
Napakapag sila. Napakapag sila.
Lalo na ito, legal husband.